Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your PlayStation 5 is stuck on the screen where it says preparing to turn off and nothing happens. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So my PlayStation 5 essentially is frozen and it says do not unplug it from the wall outlet. How can we go ahead and fix this? Well, on the front of our PlayStation 5 there is a power button, and we can manually turn off our PlayStation by holding this down. So press and hold down the power button, you will hear one beep, and then you will hear a second beep about 2 seconds later. Now our PlayStation 5 will completely turn off. Now we can simply turn back on our PlayStation and see if everything is working from there. But if this doesn't fix the issue, we will want to go ahead and start our PlayStation 5 into the safe mode menu and rebuild the database. So with our PlayStation 5 completely turned off now, and there's no light on the light bar here, let's locate the power button once again and hold this down. You will hear that one beep, and then about 5 to 10 seconds later, you will hear a second beep. This is an indication your PlayStation 5 is starting in the safe mode menu. Now get a cable and connect your controller to the front of the console. And you'll need this to operate the safe mode menu. So let's plug in my controller. And then once it lights up, let's press the PlayStation button. So I can see I'm connected now, and we're going to use the D-pad to operate the safe mode menu. Now under the safe mode menu, we have a couple different options that we can go ahead and try. Now the first thing I suggest doing is going down to option number 5, clear cache and rebuild database. And then go to rebuild database. Now it says it may take a few hours to rebuild a database, but in my experience it only takes about 5 minutes. It will restart your PlayStation a few times and give you a loading screen from there. And then if you are having any kind of like issues copying or something with your hard drive, this should go ahead and fix that issue. So if that doesn't work, you can go up to clear cache right here and go ahead and perform that as well. Or you can go over to where it says update system software and then just quickly update using the internet. Get a fresh copy of the operating system on the PlayStation 5. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Go leave a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.